Hello, my love. That's the crazy washing machine on spin cycle. Dimitri just came and cuddled up.
He was over there.
And then he just walked over here and just snuggled up with me. You're so sweet. You are so sweet. Yes, that washer is annoying, huh? It's vibrating the whole porch. Crazy. You're so sweet. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Thanks for coming up to me. You were nibbling on my arm. Yeah. Yes, you were. Were you giving me kisses? Were you trying to give me some kisses? Some love bites? Giving me some kisses? Are you giving me some kisses? Aww. I love you. I love you, Dimitri. Dang, that thing's loud. Isn't it? But do we care? No, it's not going to affect our loving and affection with each other. No, it's not. Nothing will interfere with our love. Nothing and nobody. Right, Dimitri? Right? I'm looking forward to you coming and sleeping with me tonight. And then the morning cuddles, if they were anything like this morning, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And if you're watching this and you didn't see the morning cuddles, that was recorded earlier today. This is the best cuddler ever. Dimitri, you're the best cuddler ever. Yes, you are. I know that light's kind of bright, isn't it? I don't think it's light enough out here for me to not have the flash on. Let's check it. Is that better? Is that better, baby? Huh? Did I just see you nod? Kind of looked like you nodded. Well, I just wanted to let everybody see how sweet you are. How sweet you keep being to me. Uh-oh. It's bright. I know. But I want everybody to be able to see you, okay? I love you, Dimitri. You are the best. You're so sweet. Okay. Let's end this. I bet people are just annoyed listening to that washer. I'm not. I can block it out. Because I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I love you. Oh, you want some scratches? All right. Say bye, Dimitri.